Hey guys, Patreon here, and today I'm just making a video to let you know that on Monday, August 19th, I will be starting school again. Yeah, we started like way later than everybody else, so I know that like half of you are probably already in school or will start it like soon like me. So yeah, it's going to start on Monday, so I just wanted to let you know that I may not be posting that many videos from Monday on because I'm starting a whole new school and I don't know how it works and I don't know how much homework I'm going to get and if I'm going to have time to film in afternoons and on the weekends. But also, the YouTuber series is a go. I just got a new pony, Rainbow Dash. I'm going to make it into a Rainbow Blitz. And also, I don't know about my reviews because I know I post a review every Sunday, but I just got a new set, which is the cake set, as you can see, and I'm gonna post that review, and I don't know if I will be getting that many ponies soon because school and stuff, and yeah, so I don't know. It may only be like a review like once every 2 weeks or something. Just anytime I get a new set, I might even start reviewing the old ones and doing them better, because I know that a lot of the older reviews, you haven't watched them probably, because they're all old and they have like 30 views each, and they weren't that good. So I might do that, but yep, just wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I might not be picking videos soon because of school. So yeah, bye, please like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you for watching.